And we're back to HTML Canvas. This is an intro video because I want to create in the next tutorials a game that just uses HTML Canvas. You should also understand a little bit of JavaScript. But the game is about this red circle. We can move that using the arrow keys. And the idea is to get out of the way of the other two ones which are animated. And every time you make it, the score is increased by 1. And when you hit them, there's a collision. And your final score is being shown, the game is over. We go through that in a couple of videos, and I paste the entire code right here into a CodePen project. I'm not a huge fan of CodePen and this separation between HTML, CSS, JS. I've just pasted everything right here in the HTML part. You can see the game runs. Just a little detail, I had to comment out the alert right here, because otherwise CodePen is going to crash and I have to refresh that all the time. Let me comment it out or uncomment it, and you can see here's the alert message and I can't just click that away. I've set up this quote-unquote game in such a way that it's as simple as possible, and we can use that as a beginner project. Therefore it doesn't have all of the functionalities of a true game, so that you can reset it, restart it. Therefore I had to comment this line out. But you can find the source code via description link below. And if you're interested in rebuilding this game start to finish, just watch the following videos in my HTML Canva playlist.